In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord installation has failed. The first thing you may want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable, then refresh or reconnect before installing once again. The next thing you may want to do is by try running the setup or installer as admin. And to do that, right click on the setup, then click on Run as Administrator. This gives it permission to install properly. Lastly, try restarting your computer. Sometimes background apps block the installation and a quick restart clears everything. And if any of those fixes still doesn't work, make sure that you uninstall any of your old Discord version from settings, then download the latest installer from the official Discord website. Most of the time, one of these steps fixes the problem fast. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!